Assalamu alaikum, this is me FAREEDA RAFATH and I welcome you all to my channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to create this elegant and beautiful hijab style, which is very easy to create, and you just need only 2 to 3 minutes to make this hijab style and you are good to go. So let's see how it goes. Here I placed my scarf with one side short and one side long as usual, and I'm pinning it with a sari pin or no snag hijab pin. Now I'll take the shorter end of the hijab and I'll pin it on the other side temporarily because we are going to remove it again. Now lifting the back portion of the hijab, I'm going to remove that pin. I'm going to add this layer as well and pin it together. Here I'm removing the hijab pin. I'm adding another layer to it and pinning it once again. Now taking the longer side of the hijab, wrap it around your head and bring it to the front. Now I'm setting all the layers of the hijab. Here I'm pinning on one side of the hijab and here I'm pinning on the other side of the hijab so that the scarf doesn't fall apart. Now I'm going to pin to the t-shirt as well. And that's it. That's the look. This style has both front and back coverage, and that's it. I hope you find this tutorial useful. I personally like this hijab style because it is elegant, classic, at the same time it saves time. Not at all time consuming, it's beautiful and it can be made in just 2 minutes. Having said that, if you like this tutorial, please give it a big like, subscribe to my channel, and I'll be back with more such content which is on point and short, time-saving content. Please do subscribe to my channel, hit that bell icon so that you get notified whenever I upload a new video. Allah Hafiz.